To get from the drape where you have the leg fully extended out, when you want to do any type of movement, you got to make sure that you get a hold and get control of the sheet. So, with that in mind, you notice I have my shoulders facing squared away. I'm facing the body. I'm going to pinch the sheet above the hip to where I'm actually holding that nice and firm. Okay? A little bend in the knee up. Okay? Notice how that transition went from there. I got complete control of this leg. Okay? And then I'm just going to scoot the knee out. Okay? Now from here, the drape is, I take the bottom sheet, tuck it under the top sheet, and then I tuck the top sheet back under, and so nice hard line on the drape. Okay? Applying my cream. This tissue is pretty much from working anterior and posterior. This tissue is probably already nice and loose, so we're going to just go through this just in case you still have some issues and some problems. Noticing that the leg is bent, I have it resting up onto my hip here, okay? Taking my forearm at the border of my sheet, and I am dragging it straight down through the IT area. Once I get to this curve in the leg, which is, you need to really focus on not torquing that out, especially because this particular person is very tall and his leg is coming off the table. But if I were to put my hand on the table, I can still see my hand underneath his knee. Then my hand is actually touching the table too. So I know that I'm not torqued out too much here. If you can't see your hand at all, you probably want to straighten the leg out or move it just slightly, move it back a little bit to get it more onto the table, because you don't want to tweak out the knee here. So our first pass, we're coming down with the forearm on the border of the forearm. I rotate away, I move away from the leg, brace my arm, and I do the same drag down the peroneals. Okay? This is a forearm drag. This area of the leg can take a lot of pressure. Okay? So, I can come through peroneal, elbow, and I'm working that tissue back through with the elbow all the way down. Okay? You can turn it here, you can catch it up. You can do a soft fist. Now this is a really neat soft fist, because the soft fist that I'm doing has also got maybe a harder fist. I don't know if what a closed fist, and it's holding on to it. So I'm actually using both arms to push down, and I'm using that knuckle, those knuckles to drag down and through there. Okay? And you can see there's some hyperemia that just comes real quick when you start to do that. Okay?